work originated from my search for the scent of aging. Through aged objects, sound, footage, and familiar smells, the most primal and emotional medium of memory, I constructed an immersive space of remembrance. The scent, often associated with the elderly, is no longer a symbol of decay, but rather an imprint of time condensed with labor, warmth, and vitality. Initially, I set out to capture what is referred to as the scent of aging. Yet in the midst of my grandmother's daily routines, washing clothes, cutting vegetables, I encountered instead the reassuring fragrance of soft berries warmed by the sun, a scent that evoked memories of childhood embraces. Later, in hospitals, I felt no fear, only the rhythmic sounds of rehabilitation equipment and the smell of disinfectant blended with a sense of hope for life. Parks and at my doorstep, I witnessed the energy of square dancing grannies. The leisurely joy around mahjong tables. And my grandfather sitting contentedly waving a palm leaf fan. This work is a journey of reconciling with my own prejudices, as well as an invitation. Our fear of aging often stems from imagination and distance. May you come closer, gaze deeply, and coexist here. Listen to the whispers of time, touch those overlooked yet vivid moments of life, and rediscover the resilience, warmth, and dignity inherent in life itself.